Here's a scary truth. The middle class, the backbone of society, is disappearing. In the next decade, there will only be two groups, the rich and the struggling. Which side will you be on? Don't panic. I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to show you why this is happening and 3 powerful moves you can make right now to break free before it's too late. You feel it every day. Groceries cost more. Gas costs more. Rent? Forget it. But your paycheck hasn't grown. You're working harder and somehow you're falling further behind. I get it because I lived it. Hustling hard just to survive, thinking, is this it? Is this what life is supposed to be? The truth? No, it's not. But the system is built to keep you stuck, unless you break out. I'm going to break down the 3 moves that can separate you from the chaos and put you on the path to freedom. The last one? It's the ultimate wealth hack no one taught you in school. Move 1. Stop saving in cash. I know, it sounds crazy, but inflation is destroying your money faster than you can earn it. Instead of parking money in a savings account earning pennies, put it into assets that grow, like index funds, dividend stocks, or even a skill that pays you back. Move 2. Create new income streams. The middle class dies because it depends on one income. Millionaires have 7. Pick one today. Sell a digital product, start freelancing, or leverage AI to launch a micro business. You don't need thousands to start. You need action. If this is making you think, subscribe right now. We're building a movement called Growth Reality Check, where we teach real wealth, real freedom, and real action. Move 3. Learn the difference between good debt and bad debt. Bad debt buys things that drain you. Cars, clothes, vacations. Good debt? It buys assets, like a rental property or a business, that put money back in your pocket. Here's what no one tells you. Escaping the middle class isn't about luck. It's about knowledge. The game is rigged, but now you have the playbook, and that means you can win. In my next video, I'll share the easiest wealth-building move you can start today with $0. Make sure you don't miss it. Do you think the middle class will survive the next 10 years? Comment yes or no, and tell me why. Hit subscribe and join the Growth Reality Check family. Let's create wealth and freedom together.